Hey folks, a mild evening across the valley. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s valley-wide, and we're not going to cool off much until that front comes in later tonight, early tomorrow morning. Readings will stay in the 70s most of the night, but here we go. We're showing lows in the 60s. This probably won't happen until around dawn. We'll hover in the 70s until then, and then tomorrow we just don't go anywhere. Temperatures stay in the 60s all day long. It's a cool day. It's a cloudy day. There's rain. There might even be a thunderstorm mixed in with that rain during the course of the daytime, so it's going to be a cool one. You look at normal temperature for this time of year, 78. We're going to be 10 degrees below that, 20 degrees below what we were today. That's a pretty big cool down from one day to the next, and then Wednesday, Thursday, we're back in the low 70s again. As we look at the radar, you try to find the front. I think you can pick it out pretty easily. It stretches from about Galveston right down to just north of Corpus Christi, and then it's back to about Laredo. If we draw it on there, you can see it continuing to push southward. It's still a few hours away, but when it does come in, again, it's going to turn cloudy, may trigger a few showers and perhaps even a thunderstorm or two. Watch what happens. Here it comes. By 5 o'clock in the morning, certainly it'll be near us, if not on top of us, triggering some rain showers. It continues moving southward. By 11 a.m., it's down to the lower part of the valley, and by middle of the afternoon, the front's moving through. But look, it continues to show an isolated thunderstorm. That's the yellow, orange, red. That would indicate a pretty good thunderstorm. Maybe not in that exact location, but someplace perhaps in the lower valley, an afternoon thunderstorm. It moves on out. A couple more waves go across, and then overnight tomorrow night, the rain stops. And during the daytime Wednesday, I think the clouds move back out. We get back into some sunshine. So it's a one-day shot, but certainly going to be cooler. Pretty good chance of some rain tomorrow, perhaps again an isolated thunderstorm or two. Rain will be the big thing, but an isolated thunderstorm will pop up in one or two spots. By Thursday afternoon, we're partly sunny again. Looks pretty nice. So a 60% chance of showers and isolated thunderstorms tomorrow. 20% in the morning on Wednesday. By afternoon, it's gone. Thursday should be dry as well. Rest of Texas tonight, it has cooled off in North Texas. Dallas 56, Abilene's 49 right now, 33. In Dalhart, it's cold in the Panhandle, 66 in San Antonio. Again, the front pushing southward. Draw it on there again. There it is, and we move it over to Future Track, and it pushes that front on in tonight. And behind it, showers and thunder showers linger, but just during tomorrow. By Wednesday, it's gone. High pressure builds in from the north. It controls things for a couple of days, but it does eventually move off to the east, so our wind flow comes back up out of the south. That brings some moisture in on Friday, maybe a shower or thunder shower on Friday as well, and then the weekend we warm up. In the bay, northeast winds 15 to 20 knots, choppy bay waters. UV is very high. Bay and surf both at 70 degrees. Operators of small craft urged to use caution. So for tonight, mostly cloudy with some showers, maybe even a thunderstorm late tonight. Early morning, southeast winds most of the night 10 to 20. Winds out of the north tomorrow behind the front, only 68 for a high. Temperatures will probably fall during the course of the daytime. Northerly winds at about 10 to 20. Here you go, next 7 days. And we cool off a lot from where we were today. Today's high was 88, tomorrow's high only 68, and it's all the way until Saturday before we get this warm again. And again, a pretty good chance of rain tomorrow, so the raincoat is in order, maybe a light jacket, an umbrella, all those things we're going to need tomorrow. But Christine, you brought your own sunshine. You're yellow tonight. Welcome to the Late Show.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Good to have you along with the fun.
Awesome. Well, that was weather. When we come back, we'll take a look at sports.